What do you want to do now?
No.
What?
Cars.
Cars? Cars? Do you see cars?
Buildings.
What else do you see? What else do you see? Aside from the cars and buildings.
Car.
Car
Like me.
What?
Like me.
You have your own car now. Which color is that?
No. That.
And which color is this, your motorbike?
Green motorbike.
Very
Like
good.
that.
What is this?
Ambulance. Which one?
Which one you like better? Which one you like more? Are you gonna give this to me? This one? I like this.
Yes.
Really?
Wait.
Wow.
Sit here.
Okay, I'm gonna sit there.
Motorbike.
Tell me a story.
Hello. Hello.
Is that your story? Saying hello? Where's Daddy?
Daddy work.
Is that a monkey? The one that's in the TV? Monkey?
Look, chicken monkey.
How about the snake? What's the sound of the snake? How about tiger? The lion. How about the lion? How about hawk?
Look. Wow. Heroes. Heroes.
What do you say about what's this? Iron Man. Do you like Iron Man?
Yes. Motorbike.
How about
Like me.
how about Spider-Man? Do you like Spider-Man?
Cheap hero.
How about Superman? Do you like Superman?
So,
Superman. Where's your Superman? Oh, I hide it somewhere. You're not taking good care of your toys. You like it here, huh? It's windy. Okay.
windy.
What can you say more about the wind?
Wind.
Is there any clouds in the sky?
Sky. Clouds gone.
Oh, clouds are gone.
Look, houses.
Is that houses? You just said just a while ago they are building.
What are these?
What do you call them? They are vehicles. In general, they are vehicles. I think I didn't teach you about.
Vehicles.
Yes.
Motorbike. Vehicles.
Yes.
Ambulance. Vehicles. Car.
Mom is sick. Whom are you gonna call? Huh?
Fireman.
No, why fireman? I'm sick. Then you will call fireman. We are not on fire.
Fireman.
No. Who are you gonna call?
Fireman.
No, it should be ambulance, right? Or doctor. Hospital.
Hospital.
Yeah, you said yesterday you're gonna call doctor for mama.
Door. Open it.
Mm.
Here.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. How are you?
Hello.
How are you, ambulance? And how are you, motorbike? It's nice, the wings. Like it.
Wait. Wait.
Let's go inside now, Aiden. Let's go inside. Come on.
Wait.
We'll come back later on, huh? Mama promised it. Alright? Okay, you're a good boy, right? Go inside now. Oh, go na inside. Please get it. Get it. Oh, thank you. Thank you.